everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Guide. Today I have another trick for you. If you're enjoying my videos, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications. So let's get into the trick. Here I have another trick on multiplication, that is to multiply two-digit number which is less than 100 and greater than or equal to 80. We find it difficult to multiply these numbers which are 70, 80, 90. So here I have an easy trick for you which helps solving it quickly. Let's take an example of multiplication of 86 and 96. 86 and 96 looks very big numbers, but our trick make it very easy. Let's begin with our step 1. In step 1, first we have to take the difference of each number from 100. So the difference of 86 from 100 is 14 and the difference of 96 from 100 will be 4. That was your step 1. Now let's move on to the step 2. Step 2, just cross subtract the difference number from original numbers. The difference of 86 from 100 is 14, so I am subtracting 14 from 96. And the difference of 96 from 100 is 4, so I am cross subtracting it from 86, so we get a common number, that is 82, and this common number 82 becomes your first part of the product, that is first part of your answer after multiplication. Now let's move on to the next step to find the second part of your product. To find the second part of your answer, just multiply those difference numbers. That is 4 into 14 is equal to 56. So 56 your second part of your answer. So that was such an easy trick to find your second part. So your complete answer is 8256. So the product of 86 and 96 is 8256. So that was a simple trick to find the product of two-digit numbers. I hope you got this trick and you are going to use it in your exams. And also please watch the trick for multiplication of three-digit number. Link is in the description below. If you find this trick useful, please like the video and subscribe for more tricks. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the notifications. Thanks for watching.